second.
Dito kayo sa gitna, katabi ni Jackie. Wala na kayo mga mama. Ito, paano natin yung mga kids? Together with Jackie. Okay, pero paano natin si Jackie together with all the kids? Palakpakan naman dyan. Thank you for running for God's number. Okay, can we call on Mommy together with Stephen? Ayan, hindi lang po si Mommy saka Steven. Lahat ng kids, pasamahan mo na natin si Steven. Saka si Mommy sa candle blowing. Steven, saka Mommy, dito kayo sa likod. Ayan. Tapos lahat ng kids, dito na tayo ulit sa gitna. In count of 5. 1, 2. Ay, wala mag-blow. Si Steven lang. Pinagpa-practice na ni Lester, oh. One, two. Oh, dito lang sa gilid. Sa gilid lang. Dali. Walang magbablock ng cake. Don't block the cake.
No! No, Lester, no! Ay, nako. Gabi, wag ka.
Okay. So this time, kakantahan natin ulit si Steven ng happy birthday, okay? Mas malakas kaysa kanina, ha?
Happy birthday. Teka lang. Nanay mo nga muna.
Happy birthday to you.
Wait lang. Ay, kuya, wala pa. Wala pa. Kakanta pa nga kami.
Oh, wait natin ang music. Wala mo nang mag-blow. Ready?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ready and go!
Happy birthday to you.
Louder!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Everybody clap your hands!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yes, yes!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sim!
Blow na ka na! Blow mo, blow! Blow mo lang, blow mo lang, Steven! Blow mo lang! Blow, hindi ka na mag-blow!
Napicturan? One more. Napicturan na yan.
One more pa daw.
One more.
Happy birthday.
Go,